Hey yo, how to clear my throat? Yeah, I gotta see directions. I need a lot of guidance, 'cause I keep on coughing. I ain't tryna go there. What's there? My life's not fair. With this cough I got with a teddy bear. It got my name on it. First name, last name. I'm here with the DA 62 with a whole lot of rap scripts. It made me number one. I'm just having fun. Promises I won't keep. In my throat feeling heat. I don't know what to do. I'm just chillin'. That's what I be taking. 875 dash 125 MG tab. Common brand. It makes me a man. I take my medicine. I take my pills. Yeah. Morning, midday, evening, and bedtime. Like it's the last time. Pharmacy advice. See back for more information. Every day is my vacation. My receipt and refill info. I gotta go. CVS Pharmacy. I got it from a store. Yeah. I try not to cough at the mall. It's like I'm never there. Nope. I'm just there by myself. All coughing.